Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button. So today guys, we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to do polka dot nails for beginners. It's very easy, it's very fast. If you follow the steps on your own at home, you don't need to go to a salon. So guys, we will be using a clean sheet of paper like this and a black nail polish, any black nail polish of your choice. And I'll be needing a pen that have a sharp edge. As you can see, this is a sharp edge. So let's get to it. So first I'll have to put a drop of the black nail polish on this paper. There you go. So you're going to use it to apply the dots on your nails. So you're going to apply it on a straight line. Make sure it's straight. First dot, here we go. There. So you continue doing like this in a straight line. When the ink finishes, make sure you touch the ink. Continue doing like this. You can see it's very fine, very thin. Good. As you guys can see, I'm applying very well. There. And the last tiny thing. Okay, this one is so thick, so I have to reduce it. There. Good. So you guys can see it's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So guys, this is all for today. So you guys can see the end result. My nails are beautiful. I'm ready to rock it. So until next time guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button. Guys, I need your subscription, I need your views, support, share, and go and watch my other videos like my nail art completion. You see that my nail arts, and if you want me to do any video, don't forget to tell me, leave it on the comment section and I will do it for you guys. Anything that concerns nails, I'll do it. Yes, people will be asking me, I did my natural nails, I did my natural nails. Yes, they are my natural nails. Recently I just trimmed my nails short. I want to start it all over again so that I can show you guys my journey, how I grow my natural nails. So until next time guys, stay blessed, stay safe, and happy new year to all of you. Bye.